Something that I do a lot is use Adobe Express templates and replace existing images in their templates with my own. So I'm going to show you how to do that. In Adobe Express, I'm just going to search for YouTube thumbnail. So here I've searched it before, so I'm just going to go to that, and I'm going to go to pre-existing templates. So I really like all of the template options they have, but obviously I'm not going to use these random people in them. So say I want to edit this one here. Customize template. And I want to replace this guy with a woman. So let's go to media, and I need to search. Just searching woman. Here's a good, actually, let's use her. This is a good example. So you see that she came in separate and didn't replace him. That is because I didn't have him selected. So I'm just going to delete her by pushing delete on my keyboard, select him, go back to media, grab her again, and now I drag her in and she replaces the other image. Another great feature is once I have her selected, I can easily remove that background by just going up to remove background with the little checkerboard and that dog. And there it is, it's gone. So pretty good. Now if I scale her up, maybe that size. And one thing to note is if she came in, or whatever image you pulled in, came in behind something, say she had her arm cut off here and you wanted her to be in front of this area, you need to go to your layers panel, and if you don't see it, select this button, layers, at the top right, and it will give you your layers, and then you just grab whatever image it is you want and pull it up as far as you need to in that stack. So she can go right to the front. And that's it. That is how you replace one image with another in Adobe Express, and also how you can manipulate the layers panel. I hope that this helped you guys.